Welcome! You're about to discover a heavenly tasting low-carb keto banana bread recipe with real bananas that you can enjoy guilt-free, and it's as delicious as it is nutritious. It's 100% keto-friendly, with each luscious serving containing only 5.9 grams of carbs. So get ready to discover how to indulge in a sweet treat like banana bread. Delight your taste buds while maintaining a low-carb or keto lifestyle. Hello, I'm Walter Bell of low-carb-food-recipes.com, and I welcome you today to my YouTube channel where I'm featuring another delicious low-carb, keto-friendly recipe. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on today's video recipe. And be sure to click the link in the description below, which will take you to my website, low-carb-food-recipes.com, for a downloadable copy of today's recipe.